Hello everybody, I would like to share with you my recipe for a turkey soup, which is more like a broth than a soup, and it's ideal for the cold winter months. Dan likes to take soup for his lunch quite often, especially at this time of the year when it's cold outside, and I created this soup recipe from my 1940s soup pot, and I hope you enjoy it. See you again soon. Bye. Well, now it's time to use all that lovely stock from the soup pot I created earlier in the week. On New Year's Day, Dan roasted some turkey and then he stripped all the meat from the carcass and has left me with the carcass and bones. This is going to be the basis along with the stock for the turkey soup I'm going to make him for his packed lunches this week. I'm also going to add some chopped up vegetables to the soup. I have a small leek which came from my £3 box of vegetables that I got from the farm shop, and I'm also going to use some cooked vegetables, diced, mainly some carrots and some parsnips that have been roasted, and I'm going to also add a piece of swede or yellow turnip, and I'll dice that also. I've put the leeks in the pan with a little bit of vegetable oil, and I'll cook those off gently. If you were in the 1940s, you would probably fry the leek in a little bit of dripping or other cooking fat such as lard. The leeks are getting soft now. I've added a little bit of salt, and I will adjust the salt later. I'm trying not to use too much sodium. I also had a little bit of red onion which I've added, and 2 cloves of crushed garlic. In goes 2 tablespoons of corn flour. I keep only gluten-free flour in the house mainly, unless it's for somebody special who doesn't have dietary requirements. Danny's always happy to have anything gluten-free. I'm mixing that in well. This cooks out the rawness of the flour, that's very important. I'm stirring it really well to make a smooth paste. I don't want any lumps in this soup. Just keep adding it little by little. And allow it to cook out for about 2 minutes. I've added everything now apart from the cooked carrot and parsnips. They won't need as long. And over here is the carcass. I'm going to start adding it now. It'll probably take about 15-20 minutes of simmering, and then I will remove all the bones and strip any remaining meat off the bones and add it back to the soup pan. Now the soup is nearly ready. I also added a handful of organic red lentils, about 40 pence worth. At this point you can correct the salt and pepper, but I think this has enough seasoning. If it's a little bit thick, you can water the broth or soup down with either some hot water until you've got the consistency that you want, so add it little by little, or else you can add a little bit of stock or vegetable water. Dan will be home in a minute, so I'm heating up the soup and I'm going to put some in a bowl. He's due home any minute now. So here it is, my beautiful turkey and vegetable broth made with stock taken from the 1940s style soup pot. It smells so delicious. Dan's really going to enjoy this. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care and enjoy. Bye.